Hello, my name is Dr. Maria Victoria Raquiza. I am with the National College of Public Administration and Governance at the University of the Philippines in Diliman. I would like to invite you all to participate in the many exciting activities of the Institute of Southeast Asian Studies, Islam, or ISAIs, in promoting understanding and bridging differences. They do this through various strategies like organizing conferences, seminars, field trips, and the like. So I hope that we in Southeast Asia can be part of this collaborative project and support this most worthwhile endeavor. Thank you.